Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your spark plug wires on all 87 to 93 Foxbody Mustangs. Let's go. The first thing you're going to want to do, if equipped, is remove the spark plug wire cover. And there's just 2 screws on top. And with this one, there's a wire retainer that pulls right out, and then you can remove the cap. If you don't already have wires like these Ford racing wires where they're numbered, you're going to want to get yourself a permanent marker to go ahead and mark each one of these so that way you know where they go. The firing order on these is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then to disconnect, you just press firmly and they'll pop right off. Now that we have all the wires removed, if you need to replace your rotor or distributor cap, go ahead and do so now. Now you're going to want to remove the spark plug wire boot. You can do so by reaching down and giving it a gentle tug. You'll hear it pop right off. And repeat this step for the other 8 spark plug wires. On the right side of the engine here, it can be a little bit trickier because we do have this oil dipstick in the way. You can either press down or pull up to move that out of your way. But we're going to go ahead and do the same thing where we reach down in, give it a little tug. Sometimes you got to move it left or right, and it should pop right off. All right, now we're going to install the new spark plug wires. I personally am going to just reinstall the ones I had since they weren't bad. I went ahead and marked this distributor cap with the correct order so that way you can see it. So we're going to be right there. And now we're going to go ahead and install them in order. 1 goes right here, followed by 3 right there. Then we're going to skip this one right here. 2 goes right here. And then 4, instead of going here, goes across. Snaps right in. And now for the other side, we're going to go ahead and put down 8, 5, 6, right down there. And then 7 goes straight across, just like 4. And there we go. Now we want to install the distributor cap cover. These wires are actually in the way, so you just try and finagle them around. And then once it's in there, you're going to want to go ahead and tighten them down. Final wire just needs to go in this retaining clip. Push and wiggle. Now it's in there. Now we're going to go ahead and snap it in here. As you're pushing it in, make sure that this end part is tucked in and give it a good firm click. Now that all of your wires are installed, go ahead and start your car to verify that it's running correctly and that we put all the spark plug wires in the correct order. Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe if you appreciate the content. I'm going to continue to make how-to videos for the Foxbody Mustang. Let me know if there's any videos down in the comments that you'd like me to make. Have a great day.